Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the easiest way to complete the Swisstronik Testnet Task 4 using GitHub Codespace. If you haven't joined the Swisstronik Testnet, sign up right now using the link in the description and check out the video at the top of your screen to help you get started. Ignore the fact that it's showing as Task 2 here. It's because the Swisstronik dashboard has a strange way of numbering tasks once you've completed some tasks. Now, this task involves creating and deploying a PERC-20 smart contract using hard hats and minting at least one PERC-20 token using the smart contract you just deployed. And finally, transferring the token to the wallet address provided in your dashboard. And for this task, you will be required to submit the deployed PERC-20 contract address, the link to your public GitHub repository, and the token transaction link. I'll be using a script from Ramanode. Shout out to Ramanode for this script. You can also check out his Telegram channel. He has scripts for several crypto projects. So if you need scripts for any of these projects, you can check out his page and deploy any of them that may suit you. So the first thing to do is to set up a new GitHub Codespace with a blank template. So visit github.com/codespaces and on the blank template, click use this template. Then wait for your Codespace to be set up and for your terminal to be active. Once your terminal is active, paste this code. If you see this prompt, click allow. You'll find the link to the code in the description. Once you paste the code, hit enter and wait for the code to finish running. When you see this prompt, hit enter on your keyboard, hit enter again, press the Y key on your keyboard and press Y again and wait for the code to complete. And now it will ask you for your private key. So paste your private key here, and if you see this, you can click X to close. As I've always said, do not use a wallet with real funds or the wallet connected to your Swisstronik dashboard for these technical tasks. Use a new wallet which you only use for the technical tasks, and this wallet should have the test Swisstronik tokens for paying gas fees. Otherwise, these transactions will fail. If you don't know how to set up a new Swisstronik wallet, fund it with the faucet and get your private key, check out the link in the description. So paste your private key and hit enter. Now it will ask for your token name. Give it any name of your choice. Remember, you are creating a new token, so you have to give it a name. Once you give it a name, hit enter. Now you'll be asked for the token symbol. You can use any name you like for the symbol. Once you've entered the token symbol, hit enter and wait for the code to finish running. If your contract creation, deployment, and token transfer was successful, you will see this prompt indicating that the token transfer has been successful, that your minting has been successful, and you will need to scroll up because most of the text will be hidden, and you will also see that the PERC-20 sample was deployed to this contract address. Now you will have to highlight this contract address and use your Ctrl+C to copy it. Now save it in a safe place because you'll be submitting it for this task. In this case, I'll be using my notepad. You can also find the contract address in the contract.txt file. On your Explorer sidebar here, if you open the contract.txt by double clicking on it, you can see the contract address, so you can copy it. Or you can also copy it after pushing it to your GitHub repository. The next thing you want to do is to copy the token transfer hash. Now you find two hashes in this code output. The first is for the token minting, which is this. You won't need to submit this for the task. What you will need to submit is the transaction hash for the token transfer. You can select this by highlighting on it and using your Ctrl+C to copy, or you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the link. Now you will see the option to copy, so click on copy to copy the transaction link. So save it in a safe place. So the next thing to do is to push these files to our public GitHub repository. To do that, go back to your GitHub Codespace and refresh the page so you can see the new Codespace you just created. This is the Codespace I use for this task. You can rename the Codespace by clicking on these three dots at the extreme right and clicking on rename. So once you do that, you can give it a name. In this case, I'll give it a name, task 4. So whatever name you give here will be the default name when you want to push it to your GitHub repository. You can also change that during the push. So click save. Now this step is not compulsory. It's only if you have multiple code spaces to avoid confusion, so you don't end up pushing the wrong code space to your GitHub repository. So to push this code space to a new GitHub repository, click on the three dots at the extreme right and click publish to a new repository. Like I said, the name here will be the name of the repository, and I've already set it, so I don't need to change it again, but you can change it to any name you like. Now make sure to click on the public radio button because we want to create a public repository. Now click create repository. Once the repository has been created, click see repository. And now our repository has been populated with all the files. Like I said earlier, if you forgot to copy the contract address, you can open this contract.txt file by clicking on it and copy the address here. The next thing to do is to copy the link to this repository we just created. To do that, click on code. So click this copy icon to copy the link to your repository. Once you've done that, it's time for submission on your Swisstronik dashboard. So head over to your Swisstronik dashboard and click on the task. Scroll till you find the area for submission. Here, paste the link to the GitHub repository you just copied and click submit. Now paste the contract address here and click submit. Then scroll down and paste the token transaction URL which you copied earlier, which is this, and hit submit. So that's it. We've completed the Swisstronik Technical Task 4. Very soon I'll be uploading the guides for the other tasks. If you haven't completed Task 1, 2 or 3, you will find the link to the guides in the description, so check them out. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Swisstronik Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep completing your Swisstronik Testnet tasks, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.